Open the Meshcore download address. Scroll down to find the corresponding device. Here, T-LoRa Pager is used as an example. Click the version that stores data in the flash here. If you need to use an SD card, you can click the version below. Select the firmware version. Here, you can click the bottom right corner to download the firmware to your local device. You need to select the app firmware bin file here. At the same time, you can also use the web-based downloader of this website for downloading. Click the flash button at the bottom left corner. Select the device that has entered download mode and click Connect. Wait for the download to complete. The download completion is displayed here. It should be noted here that the starting address of the firmware is 0x10000, and this point needs to be paid attention to when using other download tools later. This is a user guide for Meshcore users. Here, the functions of the Meshcore UI are briefly introduced. Users in need can gain a clearer understanding of the Meshcore firmware based on the information provided here. Here, we have prepared two different devices for the effect demonstration. First is the T-Deck. Complete the corresponding operations according to the on-screen instructions. Select Meshcore here. Enter the relevant settings based on your needs and the frequency supported by the device. At this point, long pressing the label will bring up device-related settings such as sound and brightness. Select the label and press the Enter key to bring up the device settings. You can modify some settings according to your needs. For example, you can change the device name here to make it easier for others to scan and find. The second device is the T-LoRa Pager. Similarly, follow the on-screen prompts to operate. Also select Meshcore here. Modify the corresponding parameters based on the device information and your needs. Similarly, pressing the scroll wheel button while hovering over the channel name will take you to the device information settings page. You can modify the device name and some other device settings here. Press the Enter key to access the settings of other module functions. After the settings are completed, you can test the communication between the two devices when using the Meshcore firmware. Click to enter the public channel and send a message there. The T-LoRa Pager has received the message sent by the T-Deck on the public channel.